how to delete Discord account permanently. So if you want to delete your Discord account permanently, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Discord app. Then simply go to your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you've done this, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you're there, you want to simply go to this option here that says account. Once you go to account, scroll down a bit further below and you'll find an option there that says delete account. So tap on the delete account option. Now if you own some of the servers, by the way, you must hand over the server ownership or maybe delete the server, otherwise hand the ownership to someone because that server is still active. But if you don't have any servers left, from here on you should be able to easily delete your account, and this way you'll be able to permanently delete your Discord account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.